As promised, I'm back with another dashboard. This one is a simple yet powerful inventory management dashboard, specially designed for small and medium-sized businesses. And the best part? You can customize and edit this template very easily. No advanced Excel knowledge required. With this dashboard, you'll get total product quantity, total inventory value, low stock alerts, total sales overview, plus interactive charts that help you visualize purchase versus sales performance, top-selling products, inventory trends. But that's not all. You'll also get a dedicated low-stock products list, so you know exactly which items need replenishment. Now, let me show you how it works. Simply add your products in the Product sheet, update your purchase transactions in the Purchase tab, and record your sales in the Sales tab. That's it. The inventory dashboard updates automatically, including stock levels, inventory value, charts, and low stock notifications. If you'd like this dashboard template for free, just comment "free" below, and I'll share the download link in the reply. And if you find this helpful, please support my work by following my page and subscribing to my channel.